Lovely antique boat. This is Hamondsport in the Finger Lakes in New York State. He's coming in. Just walk down the pier here. People fishing, paddle boarding. Must be like a little tour boat. Smash! It's like a Disney boat, but it's the real deal antique boat. Oh, we'll smash into this. No, they got it all under control there. It's called a Pat number 2. Oh, he just hit it. I think I predicted that, didn't I? There we go. I'm sure the boat's got a few little dings on it. You know, here you have it, beautiful Hamondsport, one of the Finger Lakes. There you go, another shot of the boat.